I've got another problem. I know, it's hard to believe, but I've got to fix another thing. Let's go check it out. You can just walk with me. Will you walk with me? Oh, you don't have a choice. I'm holding ya. Come on, Fern. Ignore the buckets. We got to go see the girls. I got to move them. They're doing good. They really are. But they're kind of stuck at the moment because I can't apparently build something as mobile as I want to. Now you don't want to talk, ladies? That's what I'm talking about. See, I speak chicken. It sounds slightly turkey. Well, how do you do a turkey? La 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 la. What do you think, girls? Huh? We gotta move you, huh? I know. You're sick of being in the same spot. I know. Anyway, sorry for all that. Fern, be nice to the chickens. Quit hitting their cage. Her new favorite game is to just come running up to the side of this thing and just scare them and make them run to the other side. You need to be nice. Hey. Yeah, you tell her. Say, yep, I know, she's not very nice sometimes. Yep, I agree. 100%. Huh. She's not very nice sometimes. Okay, you don't need to yell at me. Girl, you're my angel. You're my darling angel. Closer than my peeps you are to me, baby. Peeps. I thought peeps because peeps are chickens, right? Anyway, this is broke or bent. I've got to fix it. This no está bien. No es bueno. Es mucho problema. I'm learning Spanish. In all seriousness, I want to. I'm not very good. Un poquito hablo un poquito español. So I gotta fix it. Girls, I already sang a song to you. Usually that calms you down a little bit, doesn't it, Fern? Maybe not this time. I don't know another song. But I have to fix this. So I'm gonna take it off and see what we can do because I need to move it. They don't have, this is like dirt now, which is fine. Hey, settle it down. So angry. I think there's a Ludacris song I might have to sing to you. Move, chicken, get out the way. I think that's how the song goes. But you can still see where I had the chickens here. Right here, there's a rectangle. Right there is a dark rectangle. It's pretty sweet. Huh, girls? Yeah, it works out pretty good. Huh. I know, we gotta figure out how to move your house. You need some fresh grubs and stuff. They're getting very close to laying age. They're maturing nicely. So I'm gonna pull this wheel off, bring it to the garage, and see what I can figure out. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. 100% honesty. But we're gonna do something. We gotta do something. It's always something. You know, every time I see these birds, I think they're pretty birds. And then I think of Dumb and Dumber. Pretty bird, pretty bird.
Pretty bird. Polly, want a cracker?
Only I'm glad your heads haven't fallen off. I gotta pull this off. So, find the right socket. Pull it off. Yeah, you're pretty birds, huh? You're beautiful. Just like James Blunt said, right? You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You sing along? You're beautiful. It's true. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I know. Sorry. Loud noise. Pull it off. Pretty interesting, huh, girls? See, Fern? Hey. They're trying to help, too. And boom goes the dynamite. Got it. That ain't right. Let's fix it. All right. Now, what to do? Seriously, I'm open to suggestions because this doesn't work. And maybe because I have totally the wrong setup for what I'm trying to do. Obviously, that is definitely a truth in the situation because it doesn't work. I can't turn this. I thought jacking this thing up, I welded that plate on there. Check out that video, my first welds, a little bit to be desired. But I put that on there and it seemed to work, but the issue came when I tried turning the coop. It's too much weight on the jack with this metal, obviously, because it went bent. No good. No está bien. We talked about that. And so I have to figure out a better way to do what I want to do. I've thought about just putting skis on the underside of the 2x4s, just in like, I've got the wheels on the back. Those seem to be operating the way I want. I'm just trying to get something that can turn on the front. So I thought about some sort of skis that had a curve on the front. And then that way, oh, now Fern's coming running. Sorry, Fern. I'm just whistling at people to make sound effects of shapes. Anyway, I was gonna do that. But I don't think that's really, I don't know that that's the best way to do it. I thought about adding a chunk of wood that I can use like a bottle jack and crank it and lift it and then slide a couple rods with this. But I have wrecked 2 Harbor Freight tires, and who'd have thought with the money I spent at Harbor Freight that that would damage something? Hard to imagine. I know better. I know better. I just have a hard time spending $50 per wheel at Tractor Supply or buying something heavier duty, but that's what I get. I was hoping that a $15 wheel would make it happen. That is not the case. So I need your help, please. I'm open to suggestions. I'm trying not to spend $500 on a jack system for the chicken coop. I'm not to the point where if that's my only option, that's what I'm gonna do. But I don't want to leave them in the same spot. I know that there's people that raise chickens for a living that are like, dude, they've got plenty of space, whatever. Maybe you're out there. I want to let these chickens forage in the grass a little bit more while keeping them protected. If you look at the tree line behind my house, I've got chickens, or not chickens, hawks swooping around all the time. And so I would have dead chickens if I let them even graze out. I still may while Fern's out because she's a fierce fighting force that is Fern. But you know, when we're out and watching them, but how often are we really going to be sitting out there watching the chickens to do one of those electrical fences that you can kind of set up and make a perimeter? But yeah, anyway, I'm going to try to figure out something better than this. These better be some good tasting eggs that I still haven't got yet, by the way, but I'm gonna be eating them eggs. They better be good. The girls are pretty, anyway. All right, first thing, you got to take this wheel off. Disassemble. What are you gonna do? I gotta tell you, the bottom one moves a little better. That's good. This was a little bit of a pain to put on. Not that big of a deal. It's just some nuts and bolts. I cut this threaded rod, added these bolts to try to really get it to do what I want. Didn't really work, apparently. Well, the bolts and the rod did what they were supposed to. Honestly, the wheel, the thin steel at the center of the wheel on the hub is the problem. High on the wheel hub. I'm the problem, it's me, right? It's wedged in there now. I can't slide the wheel like I wanted to. That's it. Time to grab the big guns. Oh! This might be a safety goggles situation. Or not. Oops. That doesn't work. I may have to take out the grinder. Well, I don't know. I really need to decide if I'm even going to reuse this thing. To be perfectly honest, this wheel is trash. The support part for the wheel is trash. All that's good is the jack setup and this plate here. So it might just be better off taking a grinder, chopping this stupid thing, and just cut it off. It's weakened the steel. When you bend the steel and you try to bend it back one, even if you can get it straight, it creates that bending motion, weakens at the bend the steel. So that isn't gonna work. Piece of junk. Well, the jack kind of worked. This thing is a piece of junk. Can't believe they don't advertise this. We're gonna haul a boat around and lift a boat around on a jack that can't even lift a chicken coop? I mean, I built that thing solid, but my goodness. Come on now. Harbor Freight jack anyway. I don't even know. I think I just have to stare at it for a while and think. That's what you do. You stare at it and you think. And you look. And you think and you look. I don't know. I've thinked and I've looked for like 15 seconds. I don't know that this setup is gonna work. I may just chop this off and put it on the front, mount this jack to the front, and just use the plate to push against the ground to lift it up, to then slide a new wheel and setup through the 2x4s at the front of the whole coop and run. And this will serve as a jack to lift that front end without having to grab something out of the truck or whatever. You can use these jacks still, but maybe I need to buy 2 wheels and then a heavy duty bolt, like a 3/4, 1 inch, something beefy, and put it at the front end. The trick is I need something that can turn. And that is not an option if I just slide this threaded rod. That didn't bend, the rod didn't bend. The 1/8 inch steel bent. I need your help. Seriously. I don't know what to do. I really need your help. So chicken people out there, please give me your suggestions. Right, girls? Should we go in and say hi? We can come in and say hi. No, you can't come out. Yeah, what do you think, girls? Huh? My girl, my girl, my girl. Talking about. I know. I wish you wouldn't yell at me. I'm trying to figure it out and get you over to some green grass so you can eat some bugs. Huh? Yeah. You need some bugs. Right, Fern? Hey, wait, don't peck at the camera. What do you think? What do you think? I know. They're pretty ladies though, aren't they? Seriously, I know this is a weird video, but I do need help. I'm trying to figure this out. I want to give these girls something, some good food, some good green grass to eat and forage for bugs and worms and all that goodness, whatever. I will get this moved. I'm trying just to not drag it across the lawn. Maybe I need to buy a tractor. That could be, I mean, that's one solution. Let me know what you've done. I know it's a weird video. I'll keep you updated. They're gonna keep yelling at me. I know, girls. I'm gonna get you to somewhere with some good eating. Because ain't nothing better than some good eating. Alright. Be nice. I know. Different video. Hey, by the way, this little setup works great. That pops this loose. This little rope down here. Pull up. Ta-da. And I'm out. No more getting locked in the coop and yelling at the neighbors until they hear you. So, cool. Let me know what to do. I'm at a loss. If you're telling me the only other way, drop some coin, is what it is. We made a commitment to raise some chickens. And if that's what it takes, that's what it takes. I'm trying to avoid it. But, they're a living creature, and I want to provide them with a good life. As much as I joke around, that is the goal. They're going to give me eggs, so the least I can do is keep them, keep them, give them the best life they can while we have them. And I think that that's the cool thing. They serve a purpose. I understand that, but it's my responsibility to raise them and do what I can. Why? Why not? You know? So, help me out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. I hate to beat a dead horse. Thank you. I really do appreciate it. But that's where my life is at right now. Trying to figure out how to move chickens around my yard. Super cool stuff. And I don't have a solution. But I will. Help me out.